Hi, this is Shay. Welcome to this video. I'm your Livegood sponsor. I'm a member of one of the top teams. I have exciting news to share. My mentor sponsor is creating his own system for Livegood, for the Livegood opportunity, that will allow us to piggyback off of the results of a six-figure earner. That means life-changing income for all of us. Okay. Now, in order to gain access to the system, you have to become a member of our team. In order to do that, there is a link below this video in the description box. You will click that link and you will be taken to an opt-in page, and it's by email. The opt-in is by email only. That will give you a free tour of the Livegood opportunity, and that will also put you in position to receive our top team training system. Okay, we have tools, resources, marketing tools and resources, training that no other team has. And if you need assistance with the training, I'll be happy to assist you with that. I look forward to having you on the team. Again, the link is below this video. Thank you. Bye for now.